Here you can see the full result of the scan, and here you can see the username, the password, the dump password, first name, last name, all the information of all users. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a powerful tool for test the SQL injection. This is so much famous for ethical hackers. The tool name is SQLMAP. If you are new to web security, and this tool can save you hours of manual work. So grab your coffee and let's get started. Now, what is SQLMAP? A SQLMAP is an open source penetration testing tool that automates the process of detecting and exploiting SQL injection flows and taking over database servers. It is written by Python and supports a wide range of databases, including MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL Server, and many more. Here you can see some key feature of this SQLMAP. You can see it is not just a scanner. SQLMAP can perform data extraction, launch a SQL shell, and even allow you to upload files to the database server. That sounds so powerful, isn't it? So for test this SQLMAP, I'm going to use a vulnerable machine which is called Metasploitable. So let's get started with. Now let me log into the server. And here is my IP. I'm going to use it. Let's back to my browser and write the IP, and here you can see the DVWA. The username is admin and password is password. Here you can see a beautiful page. Now click on SQL injection. Let's check if there has any SQL injection vulnerability. That's why I write one here, and yeah, you can see that it has SQL vulnerability. Now let's copy the URL and write the command SQLMAP-u, and the URL you copied inside the quotation. Now I'm going to find out the database. That's why I write here current DB and page, and here you can see the database name. Now I know the database name. That's why I'm going to find out the tables within this database. So that's why I write -d database name and -- tables. Okay, now we got the database tables names. One is guestbook and users. Now I'm going to find out the all the information within this user tables. Here you can see the full result of the scan, and here you can see the username, the password, the dump password, first name, last name, all the information of all users. This is so powerful. Now if you are lazy like me, then you can also use a command like SQLMAP -u, then URL within the quotation, then -- dump -batch. Here you can see all the information that we found out before. You can do it easily with this command, but this is not an appropriate way to do this. You should maintain the sequence. That will give you a better result. Now I can give you some pro tips for use this SQLMAP. Like you can use risk and level for deeper testing. You can also combine with Tor for anonymous. You can also use temper scripts with WAF protected targets. And also you can add the dump and passwords for maximum data. Oh, that's all my today's lesson. I hope you like it. If you like it, then subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thank you everyone.